位置咧喺南山村啊，見到咧佢有個街市啊。This is Shan Estate, and I noticed that they have wet markets here. 好啦 ，scan 咗安心出行入咗去先。I need to scan the QR code first, and then I will continue when I get inside. 好啦，入咗嚟啦，望一望呢個環境先。咁啊，開始行啦，都唔知點樣行好呢度呢。So I'm inside now. I have never been here before, so I've got no idea how I could make it more efficient. Anyway, 南昌辦館。大藥行，佢都幾有趣喎。佢約莫咧有4-5個入口度啦，我見到。咁其實都唔止嘅，即係有一紮已經閂咗冇開㗎啦，但係仲開嘅入口咧，全部都有人把守㗎。咁即係話咧，佢捉呢個安心出行都捉得幾緊嘅。I noticed that they have they have many entrances, but only a few of them, maybe like 4 or 5 of them are still opened, and every one of them has got a security staff there, standing there or sitting there. They just simply want to make sure that you have scanned the QR code.咁其實咁樣做都幾嘥資源嘅喎，我覺得。I think that is nothing wrong, but I think it really requires quite large number of resources that maybe is not really that necessary. 一明堂啊，依家係幾靚喎！新南山冰室、嘉湖木記呢一度呢個俾我嘅感覺有啲似石硤尾商場啊，即係石硤尾街市啦。秀人堂藥行，呢邊唔行過去啦，有賣活雞嘅喎。They have fresh chicken here, and they are still alive. 啱啱留意到咧，菜心10蚊斤。
炒2碟，就食碗麵。
咁中間有個位俾人洗手㗎啦，同石硤尾商場有啲似。咁都係附近啦，可以咁講。呢邊行過啦。Just now I saw some. I noticed that they have choy sum selling at $10 per kg. That is okay cheap, but not the cheapest. In Shan, they sometimes sell at $18 per kg. And I see Mongkok at $7 per kg, the cheapest I can see. So $10 per kg is sort of below average. 好啦，咁大致上我諗我都參觀完啦。Okay, so I think I have completed my visit. Okay, so this is the wet market located in Shan Estate near Shan Station. 咁呢個就係南山村嘅街市，近住石硤尾嘅。咁啊，側邊都仲有啲鋪頭仔。They also have some shops outside as well. 好啦，咁基本上就完啦。呢段片呢就嚟到呢度，多謝大家收睇啦。So this video will end here. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next. Bye bye.